Hey guys, do you believe you can earn off this type of video? This simply animation earned around $70,000 for one single video. And this channel earning around $200 per day. So this is amazing money, what you can get passive income on your channel. So if you're interested, I show you how work this channel and how to prepare this video. But before we get into it, and if you're new here and you like videos about making money online and working from home, then go hit the subscription channel and that notification bell below to know when I post a new video. Hello guys and welcome back on channel From Zero to Millionaire. Today, like I spoke on the beginning, I show you how to earning money on upload video texture. And yes, you can earn on this type of channel. So let's look on the channel how I show on the beginning. This channel is called MG1010, and like you see, they earning a lot of money. So like you see, they earning over $200 every single day. So it's very good passive income if you have this type of videos on your channel. We can check on this channel. Like you see, they have around 100 uploads. They have around 15,000 subscribers and over 18 million views. They earning monthly between 400 to 7,000, and yearly is between 5,000 to $89,000. Yes, it's $89,000 per year. And we can look how many they earned on separated video. If we look on most viewed videos, we can check. So like you see, this video have over 4 million views, and they earned on this one single video over $2,000. So we can look on this video, and like you see, it's very simple video what is looped, and this video has 1 hour. That's all. So they created a lot of this type of video. So let's look on channel and video, and like you see, they have only texture image. They have around 1 hour's duration, and like you see, this is only texture videos, and they earning on this type of videos. So how to create this type of video? Simple. You need some skills to create your own this type animation. If you know how to do this, for example, some product of Adobe, you can make your own, or you can use in free sources. For example, good example is pixar.com, and you can put here videos, texture, and like you see, you have some texture what you can use and loop. And here another example. And what is very good, if you go here, is free for commercial use, no attribution required. So you can use this video for free and you can earn money off this type of video. But how to loop this video? You can use my video tutorial what I prepared a few days ago, how to loop music video, and there I putting information. Or I show you in a very short version of this tutorial how to do this very fast. I think this can take 5, maybe 10 minutes, and you can start uploading this to your channel. So what do you need? Some video and some editing software. I using DaVinci Resolve. So I run this program, but first I download some video. In my case, maybe I use this simple video. Some download, and like you see, this is saved on my computer. Now I run DaVinci Resolve. Put here to media pool your video what you will download. Okay. Video is here, I can put this on timeline, like you see. And what do you need to do is loop this video. In this moment, we have 10 seconds, but we want to loop this to 1 hour. So I copy this and paste. And we can check how it's look. Okay, look great between these two videos. So I can select this and paste again. So now we have 40 seconds again, and we have 1 minute. I can select everything and repeat this copy, and 2 minutes, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can select to make it faster. We have now selected 10 minutes. I can now paste. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 5. I can select again. So we have half hour. We can change size of timeline and paste now. We have 40 minutes. 1 hour 40 minutes. A little bit too much because we want 1 hour. Okay, here is 1 hour, so I use blade to cut here, change size. Okay, too much, maybe bigger, lower size. Okay, remove. So now we have 59 minutes, 59 second video. And if we look on our video from beginning, transition is okay, next video, transition okay, transition okay. So great, we have nice transition between this video. What we need to do, go to section export. I save this, choose your size. I always select the best quality, because this type of music will be like background on some party or someone who want to relax or whatever, but I think they will be play this on a big screen. So bigger solution is very important here, because nobody will be use this on phone, I think, but this always will be on big screen displayed. So select this solution. Of course, you can change your settings here on your timeline resolution. In my case, is this resolution. And what do you need more? File name, so texture 1. Here you put your location when you want to export this, render queue, and next render all. When you render this video, you can simply upload this to the your YouTube channel. Put good title, description, keywords. If you would like to know how to select good thumbnail, description, or keywords, it's good to check off channel who earned money on this type of videos, and make this video like a sample. So for example, you can go to this channel, and look how they named this video. So here you have some triangular geometric brick, so you can use this. Maybe not this name, but very similar to your animation what you use on your video. And I very recommend you to use one tools, vidIQ. I put link to this web page in description. This web page has very good tools to make information about someone video. You can check what are the keywords using, what popular is this video. Check your videos. If this video have good title or is too long.
they have a description, they have pinned comments, and so you can find there a ton of information how to upgrade your video to higher level. So if you have any question about this topic, put information in the comments below this video. If you like, I'm prepared some video for you. Put information in comment below, and I try to prepare video for your topic.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see in the next one.